go deep into the core of you. Pull your tongue up inside and merge it with the inner top, which is your connection to the Abhijit Mandala. Start total. It would be better if you go intense and not just deliberate with only bodily movement.
Looks like monkey. Abhijit Mandala.
Tap on the gut here. Squeeze your belly, apply the lock. Tribandha, 3 locks. Rub. See the wave in you now? Yes or no?
Yes.
If anybody is not able to feel at all, they have to work harder. Simple. Yes? I have ways of cracking the code of others, but only if they allow. Yes? If you don't allow, I will stay 10 hours. Tight grip on the back of the head. Stand up, all of you. Yes.
We'll keep the questions at the end. Let's just practice.
Lift up, my dear, simple as it. Just feel a rod in your Muladhara. Okay? You're pulling the rod upwards. Yeah? One rod upwards.
In and up.
Squeeze your butt cheeks in, up.
In and up.
It's so simple. It's just about the stomach in. Why you pull your stomach in? So the whole Samana Vayu can go upwards. Prana and Apana equalization, very crucial. Most people don't do the basics right. Straight away, wow, I want the highest. Then you'll have to come back to the basics. Okay? The breath is passing through you. You are a conduit. It's like a pipe passing through the center of the core. Okay, can you see here? Your breath is passing through and through. This is only the respiratory apparatus. Don't get confused with oxygenation versus prana. Okay? Tight grip on the back of your head. Tongue on the roof, belly squeezed in, apply Tribandha. All the 3 locks. Of intensity. Today, are you ready, all of you? You got to push your body limits beyond the ordinary. If you complain, your voice won't be heard. I saw a video of a child doing tantrums in the supermarket. So the mother also does the same thing to the child, and the child looks at mother, oh my God, your better version. Joyfully allow. What are you doing to this body? You are allowing the unity awareness to pass through the occipital lobe. The prefrontal lobe is the main area of most people. The main operating zone. Prefrontal. Yeah, you need sometimes what happens is the jaw is in the main trouble. Okay, jaw. For many years you practice the art of jaw lock. Okay, more laughter, it will release. Some people think that they will show the most difficult loop to the source. Try me. Drop. Sorry, you have dropped everything, baby. All three. Bhasma. What is Bhasma? Bhasma is all the ash that emerges out of burning this body. 26 grams of ash for all those people who think that they are very superior design. 26 grams of ash. Yes?
Yes.
So don't flash your torch at the sun. Yes? Don't think, oh, my body is special and it is separate from everyone. Just as much as you think you are separate from everyone, we are all superlatively connected through the Iktara, the uni-cord. It is impossible for us to disconnect from anybody, even if you use the largest scissors to do the so-called cord cutting. Show me how to cut the uni-cord. Then I will fall at your feet 1,000 times. How can you cut the uni-cord? It is a connection to the matrix. We are all connected to the matrix, whether you believe it or like it or not. Simple. That's what I meant by trashing the libraries. Okay?
Okay.
Libraries which are being infused with so-called partial information. Yes? Tight grip on the core of your Muladhara going into the Kundasthana. Okay? What is Kundasthana? What is Kundasthana?
Kundalini activation.
What is Kunda? What is Kunda? Fire. Sthana means place. Place or position. Okay? If your Kundasthana is not yet activated, you could have wild currents running through your body without actual fire of centrifugation. All the Saptagni will not emerge out. The Saptagni put wrap into all the fingers going into the navel as well as Kundasthana. You do Kandasthana as well as Kundasthana. Kandasthana is Kanda means child, Sthana means again position. So that basically the Kandarpa Vayu, the sixth element rising through us, is an important part of the brain activation. Without the nitric oxide, without the nitrous oxide flowing upward, your brain is in low battery mode. Go intense to the core of you.
How on the roof?
Tongue on the roof. Hopping on your toes activates the Vajrani channel. Put your tongue on the top of your Hanuma Mudra point, the Abhijit Mandala, to access the start portal channel. Joyfully allow every bit of you getting super flowing. Can you extend your breath beyond your comfort zone? Close your mouth. Drop. How does it feel, my dears?
Uprising. Observe.
Okay, watch your brain very closely, intricately, all the shifts that are happening to the circuitry. Okay? Important part of the circuitry is defined by no roots, no tree. Correct? Simple. We are working on the roots now. Yes? Most people, they try to bypass the roots. They only want flowers. So, at the root of your spine here, press in, and rest of the fingers are in the navel, where you are doing the anti-clockwise movement through all your fingers into the navel, around the rim of the navel. You can spin around with intensity, push your spine, lean back. Crack your spine. I'm here if you have any problems. Tongue on the roof. Push your spine further, further, further. Ah. Change hands. Push under your tailbone. Move your fingers in the navel. Shake your head. Stand on the roof of your pallet. With all your strength. Lean back. Push forward. Drop. Again observe. All that is passing through you, all the resistance that is coming in the form of reference libraries, please request the brain to drop it. Apply in triplicates. First application, gut. Second application, heart. Third application, midbrain. Into the Mooladhara, middle finger, into the perineum, thumb into the Kundasthana, tight grip into the, you form the Bhu-Yoni Mudra. Bhu-Yoni Mudra. It's important to access the real knowledge. If you don't utter it, your brain will not register it, either internally or externally. Both are important, internalization and expression. Okay, some people are very good at internalizing, but their expression is poor. It is like saying I have a lot of firepower, but you can't see it. Grip into the core of the fire. Intense fire. Slow down the breath. Speed increase. Landing speed increase. Joyful. Why on your toes? Vajrani process. Joyfully. Allow. Slow down the breath. Complete the breath like a loop of a cosmic bend. Microcosmic bend from the Mooladhara all the way to the top of the head. As inhalation, exhalation down to the core of the Mooladhara. If anybody has lack of understanding, I will do a diagram and show you. What is the meaning of yoni? Receptacle. That means it is the landing point and also a container. Landing as well as container. If your container is not sorted, you will always be depleted. You will always feel very difficult in your instrument. Drop. When you drop, how do you drop? Sparking. You've seen the motorboats, you have to pull the string to get the fire. Yes, motorboat stringing.